So this here is the 1950 to 53 Volkswagen 4-cylinder boxer engine. This kit that it comes in can either be the one from the bus or the transporter or the Beetle. And the one that I built was the transporter because that is my favorite car. And this didn't take that long to build. I got it over Christmas, and it took me like, I'd say like a day and a half to make, but I was pretty busy, so if you're really committed you could probably do it in a day. All the parts move, everything in it moves. You can even see it's doing its motions inside. The gear moves and everything as well. And it's a pretty good kit for the money too. The only thing you gotta watch out for is when you're cutting out the pieces, it usually comes in trees like these, but much bigger. The only thing you're gonna have to look out for, they even clarify it in the kit as well, is to make sure it is as smooth as possible, otherwise it won't run right. And I'd say I sanded mine down too, and there is a bit of room of like in case you don't have anything to smooth it down with, there is a little bit of room to work with, so it's not too bad, but it might scratch up the insides a bit and might sound a little bad when it's running. And when you click the button that's in the back, so I'm gonna do it again, but this time I'm gonna move it around. You can probably see that's moving. So these are here. So these right here are lights that show the firing order of it, and it's a pretty amazing kit. And then these are the insides look like in the book. It gives you a brief history on everything. I don't have much room to work with, so, and this is a pretty big book, but a little bit of history. And going through the years of the transporter, and then this is where it starts. So all these are more like a glossy paper feel, and these are like paper. And then shows you how to put it together. It even gives you and it's a really great kit to understand the engine. Might not, tell you exactly how to rebuild one from in real life, like an actual engine, but it gives a pretty good introduction, and especially if you're looking for some desk art and something that actually runs too. And one thing that I was a little confused with when I was doing it, mainly because again this is the first time I did it. You do put that in this, and it's supposed to lock everything in and make it where it doesn't move. And this is the very last step to take it out. And then everything runs. So that was one thing I was worried about, is it not running, but it's just because of that. So nothing to really worry about there. And then another motor, or the motor to make it run. And then to put everything together. And the base. Even the sticker, which it does show for the Beetle side as well, but you could only do one with this engine, and since it's $200, it's probably going to be a while before I do the Beetle engine. But I'd say it's almost similar, because the all the parts that I had left over were honestly like a couple. I still have the box, and it even has a plaque and everything. Okay. Hopefully that picks up on camera. But pretty good kit. Definitely worth the money. And I mean, I feel like there's nothing else to say. It's a pretty amazing kit. I definitely recommend it. So that concludes this video, and thank you for watching.